Say Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What is that?
The toys. The bodies.
That's a big dollhouse for you.
Yeah.
Is that what you asked Santa for?
Yeah.
And he brought it for you.
I'm
Wow.
excited.
Isn't it awesome?
Uh-huh. This is a map sheet, so it's something. So this is the water.
Is that the pool?
Yeah.
You can fill it up with water later.
There's some toys for me.
Hey, wait.
And there's some
Sorry, you're not
crafts.
sitting.
Look. Yeah. That's some crayons.
Wow. What kind of crayons are those?
My new ones.
Your new ones.
And like you brought.
Very good. Did you
Been
ask?
a good girl this year.
Did you ask Santa for those?
Yep.
All right.
Don't open. You have to open these. Look at this.
Whoa.
Chocolate in your candy cane.
Look. Look.
Wow.
Let me see this.
Lucy, do you like your dollhouse? Huh? Do you like your dollhouse? We can make lollipops later.
Look.
Whoa, where'd you get that?
And that.
Oh, on your stocking.
Yeah.
You've been a good girl this year, Mom.
Mama.
Apparently. Jeez.
Give Shadow something out of his stocking.
Where's the shadow stocking?
Shadow, look.
Where's this?
Look. Look, Mom. That's for Shadow.
Oh, you got a ball from Santa? Here, have fun. Go get it. Good. You've been a good boy this year.